everybody, welcome back. My name is Sean. This is my lovely model Renee. We're going to teach you how to find a neutral spine. This is going to be of the utmost importance when it comes to all of your core exercises. First, I'm going to have Renee arch her back as much as we can. In this position, her core is completely turned off. That means any type of core exercise she does while she's in this position is not going to work her core, but that movement is going to come from a different muscle somewhere else in the body. It'll look like she's working her core, but really she'll be working some mystery muscle that she's not actually trying to target. So you can see I can put my whole hand underneath Renee's back. We don't want that. Next, I'll have Renee push her spine into the mat as far as we can. Now typically this is what you think of with a core exercise. You think of the curl up where the back is rounded, the chest is coming up towards the knees. While the core is engaged here, this is not the abdomen's primary responsibility. The primary responsibility of the front of the core is going to be to prevent that extension, to keep the spine neutral. So we'll have Renee find the midway point in between the two positions I just showed you. Right there, tighten up the core. Wow, nice and tight. All right. This is what we want Renee to keep during all of her core exercises. So if Renee were to do a leg lift here, and she stuck her legs all the way out, she's struggling right now because this is a tough position. And her, let's say though she wasn't strong enough to do this, what would happen is her back would start to arch, and now do a leg lift. And now her core isn't working at all, but she's still performing a leg lift, although the hip flexors are the only muscles that are going to be working here. Now, if this were the case for you or for Renee, what we'd have her do is we'd have her bend her knees until she could keep that neutral spine, and then continue that leg lift. Boom. Doesn't look like a leg lift, but her core's working. And over time, we can progress to that legs all the way out position. So this is going to be one modification I use a lot. It'll be bring the legs in during your core workouts so that you can maintain that neutral spine. Another couple reps. Looking good. All right. Thanks so much for watching. As always, ask us questions. What do you want to see? What would help you in your journey? Thanks so much. See you later.